Do you want some quality practice questions for the DP-600 exam for free? Well, I got good news for you since we just added over 100 custom-made practice questions for DP-600 exam to Certiace.com, and the link to the website can be also found in the description. This is an update video about the Certiace project, and I will be talking about other new things in addition to those DP-600 questions that we have added to the website that will make this service even better. Stay tuned! Welcome to the video. My name is Aleksi, and on this channel I cover Mixed Fabric and Azure related topics. In this video I want to talk more about the Certiace website that I created a while ago with few friends that offers practice questions for Microsoft certification exams. If you want to check out the previous video where I introduced this project, the link to that video can be found in the description. But now, without further ado, let's go to Certiace.com and check out the new things there. Here we have the front page of the Certiace website. To this front page we have only added this Buy Me a Coffee link, and clicking this link here will take you to the Buy Me a Coffee platform, and on this platform you can send some love for the project and support us and help us cover the hosting cost of this service. But yeah, this is completely optional, but always those small donations are highly appreciated, and thanks for those who have already sent some coffees to me via this Buy Me a Coffee service here. And now let's go back to the Certiace website, and let's click this Start Practice button here. That will take us to the exam practice. And as you can see, now we have added DP-600 here. So we have over 100 different questions for DP-600 available now here on the website. And here we have also divided those practice questions per Microsoft Learn module like we did with the DP-700. But we have also added this randomizer feature here, and let's click that. And with this randomizer we could randomize questions over those modules. So for example, we could choose 15 randomized questions from all the modules, or maybe even 45 questions if we prefer more longer questionnaire. And now let's start one of these randomizers here so that I can show you another cool feature that we have added to this website. And let's click Start, and let's click one answer there, and that was incorrect this time. And as you can see, we have added this Report Issue button here. And let's click that. And here you're able to report issues with questions. And you could, for example, report that documentation link is broken if Microsoft has done some changes and that documentation link doesn't take you anywhere. And of course, you can select multiple things that are broken with the question if you see that there are multiple issues with the question. And then you could click this Submit button here, and then we will get notified that there is an issue with this specific question, and we will fix that then. But yeah, I'm not going to report an issue right now since I think everything is fine with this question here. And then we can proceed forward, and we can click through these 15 randomized questions and see what kind of report we get after we complete this. So I will click these questions through now. And here I have selected the answer to the last question, and then I can click this Finish button here. And then we get this report page that gives us some information how did we answer questions correctly per module, so that we can evaluate how we know things for that specific exam. And after this we can go back to the modules and maybe select a different randomizer or another module that we want to practice. And now I really want to hear your feedback about the Certiace website and what kind of features you would like to see us implement there next. To the last video that I made about Certiace, we got so many comments and suggestions what should we implement there next, and some of those things were really good, and we are definitely going to implement them in the near future. And if you want to stay up to date with the Certiace project and like to watch some quality Mixed Fabric tutorials and videos, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now I thank you for watching and see you in the next video.